Yo, haha, Bill never said. Does this change what you think about Yeezy Pods right now, or just wanting to actually get the pods themselves? Let's talk about this real quick. What is good, YouTube? Your boy Milton Everson coming back with another quick video on today. It seems like the Yeezy Pods, the rumors are that they're changing the manufacturer. So instead of it showing made in Italy, it's now made in China. Now, I'm curious to see, or if anybody has at least a screenshot of the current Yeezy Pods that they were able to get that were made out of Italy to compare how it's being made in China. And will that actually help expedite these orders that have been sitting since February, I want to say 12th, around Super Bowl Sunday? One of the things that I started thinking about immediately is the Yeezy releases. The Yeezy releases, it's different manufacturers involved. And sometimes what typically happens is that there's certain materials that they use that seem like they're similar to what's been used on the original form. And then all of a sudden, some people notice there's differences between the pairs that are made in India, made in China, made in US. And you can obviously see and feel the differences. Is that going to be the case with the Yeezy Pods as people start to get them? You know, is there a difference between the Italy pair and the China pair? I'll say that to say this. If you have Yeezy Pods now and you got them and they're made out of Italy and you haven't worn them, I keep those on ice. Because right now, that to me sounds like a collector's item. And it sounds like the majority of pairs that are going to coming from coming from China, those Yeezy Pods made with this material. I'm just curious, did they take the setup? Did they take the actual way it's being constructed now? You can see a screenshot. And they're just using China as the manufacturer to build the Yeezy Pods because they can't, or they don't have the resources in Italy to actually produce these Yeezy Pods at the pace that people wanted. You see what I'm saying? So in business, there's a lot of manufacturing decisions that are made. And either, for instance, I'm in the US, so if I have a company in the US, I know it's cheaper and it's faster to probably produce that product overseas versus doing it in the States. And this way, people can get their items at a reasonable price, at a fast rate, and kind of accommodating for that, that whole problem of supply and demand. So in this case, there was a lot of demand, not enough supply, and it sounds like there wasn't enough resources in Italy to accommodate all those orders that came in. Now, is this something that they could have known ahead of time? Possibly, but I believe right now they're kind of like learning on the fly, like, look, we're going to have to find another reputable resource to get these Yeezy Pods assembled, shipped out to everybody at a convenient time. Because I told people before, I said it again, I'm playing the weight game. But now it seems like we're going to be getting our pairs made in China. So let's see if it feels the same way. Hopefully it's made with the same materials that they did in Italy. It's just made in China. I don't know, but I am curious to see what's going to happen. Hopefully we may see more orders processing faster as this whole Yeezy Pod confusion just continues, So the only difference, made in China right now versus made in Italy from before. Your boy Mo-Never-Cent, comment below. Let me know what you think about this latest this latest development. Something flew in my mouth. Because I am curious to find out what people think about this whole theory, especially because I feel like it's going to be cheaper maybe to produce it. It's just that maybe it'll be faster to actually ship out for a lot of people that expecting their Yeezy Pods. But your boy Mo Neverson, man, I am out. Today is Tuesday, and you guys stay blessed.